Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to announce the winner of the Underground FPV Flysky Nirvana remote controller. I actually planned to announce the winner on my full guide video, but it is taking me a little bit longer to make this video, so in this video I'm just going to announce the winner and the full guide is probably going to be ready in the next week or so. Since I have two remote controllers, on my full guide I'm going to flash one with vanilla Flysky firmware and the second one is going to be updated to the latest Underground FPV version, and then I'll be able to point out the differences and of course go through all the features that the Underground FPV firmware has to offer. Just to be clear, the winner is going to get a brand new remote controller which is going to be directly sent from Underground FPV, and as I mentioned on the giveaway, the winner has to pay for the shipping cost. So now let's get to the part you've all been waiting for. I'm going to select two winners using Glimpse random selection tool. The first place is going to win the remote controller, but in case the winner is not going to show up until the 1st of November, the runner-up is going to get it. I'm going to blur parts of the information, but you're going to be able to see if you are the winner. So please, both of you, contact me through my email, which I'm going to put in the description box down below, and then you'll be able to redeem your prize. So now I'm going to draw the winners. Drum rolls. We're going to draw two winners. And the first place is Bruce McLeod, and the runner-up is Raz Schweitzer. So in case Bruce is not going to show up, Raz is going to win the remote controller. So congratulations, Bruce McLeod from Australia, and as I mentioned, if Bruce is not going to show up until the 1st of November, Raz is going to win this remote controller. So please, both of you, send me an email, and Raz, I'm going to tell you in case Bruce didn't show up, and then you're going to get this remote controller. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Underground FPV for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course all of you guys for your continued support. If you have any questions about this remote controller, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the full guide is going to be ready soon, and hopefully by then I will be able to answer all of your questions. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.